may biscuit bila.
Mahal to.
Baga si mami ato.
Mahal to.
How to do you?
Proof na.
It depends
Ano
on...
na pa man?
Basta dili... Ay! Kasi tawagan na yun, depende ba nga. It depends kung... Basta dili lang putot.
It depends. And I want a tall
I know,
guy
39
and
years old,
only
good
20,
for you.
20 years old and rich. Ayun,
1.79
Ako. Ay, adi tataba dito.
Your boyfriend is a girl.
I need sugar
Lucky
daddy.
guy. Boyfriend ra na, oy. Not married. Kasi tago na, magbuwag naman Japon. Kasi tago na,
We're broken.
kanang buwag ba? Na magbuwag ra ba?
We're breaking up.
Kasi tago ng lagyo.
Come on. We're far to each other.
Oh, yan, abadi. Okay.
Ara dito.
His po and loves cake.
Oh?
My goodness, Judy.
Sama si Judy.
She does. Hi, Santosh. You are...
Kayo ulit na
Ay,
dito.
nagngala Santosh.
Kana ka lang siya tayo.
Okay, never mind for that way. Let's go to the other topic. How are you? I'm good. I don't have boyfriend for now. She's not here. You're new man. Better pack up and smart walking. Ghost Town. Hello, Ghost Town. Nak ako? Wala.
Tara yung subscribe mo nila.
She does. We have to tell you this 20 times. I don't have for now because she's not here. He was working. Lol. Hola, Judy, ha? Ghost Town, where are you from? Ayaw, Bin. Ay, tao, Bin. Kung ato na siya sa gawas. Dili man to sa gawas, mapakalusyon. Okay. Mahay pa na siya.
Hi.
Ayaw, Bin. Ay, sorry, Bin. Ayaw, who is this? Your friend, I'm in Canada. Yes! Yes, my friend.
Hi,
Pixie.
Tawarika. I'm from Thailand.
Yes, my friend. Meet my friend, guys. He's working. Yes, Judy. That's why I don't have boyfriend for now. She's not here.
We're looking for a sugar daddy.
Yes, for Valentine's. For Valentine's Day, guys. Ari ka, bibi. Magkuha ko gangay ron. Dito yun. I have a comment on your video. Take a look if you get time. Yes, thank you for that. He's too busy at Rose eating more cake. You see the video, Kwan? Judy? Doon, ukang narabani kong cellphone. Ako pa ni ko kaduming ko. Saba, bi. Dito ka ko ano mo na. Take the calculator, lol. Nakita. I Fidel. Plenty sugar. How are you? I'm a daddy and get
sugar daddy.
I'm a daddy and get plenty sugar. That's why B. That's why we call sugar. Ikaw ba? When your boyfriend is gone, you're available. That's pretty cool. Yes, Ted. When my boyfriend is gone, I'm not taken. Oh, sakto ba? I'm looking for now. I saw it in live. He told me no sharing with you, Judy. I saw. Mom, ay, lagot ko. Fidel, where are you from? Oh, where are you from? I know. What are you doing today, Fidel? I saw it in live. He told me no sharing with you, Judy. Kita mo siya
viewers.
Ganun, dagan kita ganina. No, babe, please. Please. Ay! Oh. Almost bedtime here in Hawaii.